Hello and welcome to another episode of Learn to Draw with Blue Palette. Now, since Easter is around the corner, I thought today we can make a bucket full of Easter eggs. What do you think? Let's start. So, again, I'm holding the book in landscape format and I have drawn the margin already and my book is ready to draw. So, first thing, I will draw the bucket. This is the top of the bucket, the rim of the bucket. Now the bucket has a tall, beautiful handle. It's always better to draw slowly and one stroke at a time so that your drawing can go as per how you planned it. See, if you draw very fast, your drawing may not go as per planning. Okay, so it's always better to draw slowly, one stroke at a time. Then you pick up your hand and just look whether the drawing is going as per your plan, and then you draw the other line. Slow but steady. So I'm adding some ribbon-like lines in the bucket handle, and here I will decorate the bucket with a ribbon, with a bow. I'll erase this part as well, and the other side of the bow is coming here. Now let me add some more decorative items to our bucket. So I will add a few streaks of flower. I don't know what exactly this flower is. Maybe some no names to this flower, but they are just beautiful flowers. You can color it as per your choice. You can change the shape of the flowers as well. Like I always say, you can add your own imagination and make your own flowers over here. So yeah, it looks good. You can add some more hanging over here and there. Yeah, so I'm quite happy. Now the lower part of the bucket, let us make it a straw bucket. Have you ever seen a straw bucket? They are beautifully knitted from one straw inside the other. So first we'll draw this horizontal lines, and then we will make this vertical lines. So one line is done. The second line will have alternate vertical lines. And the same way we will go on about the other rows. And this is how our bucket looks. So our bucket is prepared. It is properly and beautifully decorated. Now all we need to do is add the Easter eggs. So since the eggs are inside the bucket, we will see only one portion of the eggs. See, like this. Only the top portion, half of the eggs you will see. You will not be able to see the entire full egg. I'll make more of them. And few more. Maybe another one. So whenever we should remember, whenever we are doing anything in numbers, like a number of things, we will do odd numbers, never even numbers. So how many eggs I have done? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. So it can be 3, it can be 7, it can be 5, but it can never be 2, 4, 6. The reason is, whenever you are doing 2, 4, 6 numbers, they look countable. But when you are doing more than like the odd numbers, they will look like countless number of whatever the object. It can be birds, it can be flowers, anything which you do in numbers, remember to do it in odd numbers. Now we will be adding some decorative lines and designs in our Easter eggs. Again, when it comes to designing your eggs, I will give you a full go. You can decorate it as per your own choice. Make them as beautiful and as lovely as you wish to. Just remember that when you are making the designs, if you are drawing this type of lines, there should be a little art because of the shape of the egg. Like the lines will be in arc, not very straight. And what else? Again, we can have some wriggly lines, and definitely I hope you will color them beautifully, and you can wish anyone during the Easter with this beautiful bucket of Easter eggs. So this is how it looks after it has been outlined with a black pen. Hope you liked the drawing. Color it and post it in our send it to us via email. We will post it in our Instagram page. Okay, or you can post it in the Instagram page and tag us. Either way, we will find it and we will post the colored version in the Instagram page. So keep painting, be happy. Till next week. Bye bye.